How to access Bigo Live family features. Tap Me at the bottom. Then look for Family in your profile menu. Tap it to enter the Family Hub. You will see a list of top families in your region, each with icon at states. Swipe through to find a family you would like to join. Tap on family icon to view its detail. You will see options like join, apply to join. Tap join to send request. Once the founder or co-founder approves your request, you will be added to the family and your profile gain the family badge. And note, you can only be in one family at a time, but you can leave and apply to another later. And that's how you access Bigo Live's family features, team up and grow together. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more app guides. See you in the next one.